Here's a German classic to take a look at. UniqueClassicCars.com. 1989 Mercedes-Benz 560 SL convertible. Both tops. Black soft top, red hard top. A little over 35,000 miles odometer reads on this one. Of course, the 5.6 liter V8 underneath the hood, power steering, power brakes, AC. Although the AC compressor I've not had get to kick on and off. So you're aware of that. Take a look at the front chrome. The grille, headlights, surround shows well what you'd expect with the odometer reading on this one. Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated in the Carfax. I believe it actually spent the majority of its time in Kansas. Check out the still pictures, UniqueClassicCars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Paint shows well on this one. There's a few imperfections. You got to remember the age of this vehicle. Over 30 years old now, but as you can see, it has a nice luster to it, reflection coming off it. I'll try to point out a few of the things I noticed. They're pretty minute. Like here's an example. Little bit of a ding, and I don't know if I can even get it to hardly show up. Right there, I guess, if you can see it. Pretty small. Black interior bucket seats. Of course, automatic transmission paired up with that 5.6 liter. Here's a little one right here, if you can kind of see that. There you go. And then just a couple just real small, maybe a chip that's been touched up here or there. But what a fun car for the summer. Your roll-ins, local cruise-ins, local shows. Now also remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Hardtop is right here. Stand is not included. Sorry, but again, at the end of the video, we're going to put the soft top up. We'll put the hard top on so you can check it all out. Or if you want to take your time looking through the still pictures, UniqueClassicCars.com is where you can see the hard top on and the soft top up. Otherwise, continue watching the video to the end. You're going to see them there too. All right, up and down the driver's side. Again, if there's anything, it's just very, very minute. Remember, we have an open door policy. Inspectors, if you can't make it yourself, feel free to have an inspector come check it out for you. This one, I'd say, looks like it does in person in the pictures and videos. Obviously, not much wear on the seats or the bolster, carpeting or floor mats for that matter. All right. $35,765 odometer reads. Fire it up. Here's the gauges. We're in working order also. Outside temperature gauge also working. Tachometer. Power antenna right here. That is in the rear. I'm going to run it up so when we get out of the car you'll be able to see it's up. I'll also turn the volume up on the radio here. You hear that the radio does work fine. So radio working order. Top of the dash. Looks like free of cracks, much wear, really anything there. And then lots of times the simulated wood grain starts to peel. Sometimes that shows its age. Looks good on this one. And again, you'll be able to check that out in all the still pictures. I'm going to slip around to the back. It also comes with both of the tools. There's your power antenna up, obviously. Comes with both of the tools for when you need to unlock and lock the tops. So do have that. There's an idea how it runs. Doesn't appear to smoke, anything like that. Let me pause this a second so I can get the hood open. We'll check out the engine bay, and then we'll get the tops on there and check those out too. Look at this hood liner. You can tell this car does not appear to have been driven in any sort of inclement weather. How clean that is. Also take a look. We have the VIN sticker back here, as well as that front fender there. And how about the one over here? So all of those intact. again, what you'd expect. And then look at how nice and clean and tidy this engine bay is. Very stock looking. Has been converted from R12 to 134. So that fitting there you can see. Sounds good, runs smooth. And again, nice and clean and tidy. And you'll be able to check out the engine bay and all the still pictures too. All right, let's run up that soft top. It is a manual top, of course. One person can put it up pretty easy, lock it down with the tools that are provided. And then we'll go from there and put the hard top on, wrap this video up. And the soft top up. Of course, manually folds. Easy for one person to put it up and down. I don't know if this thing's hardly ever been used or up on this car. It is in fantastic shape. Of course, the plastic, I mean, it shows its age a little bit, but are you gonna be able to see through it? It's gonna function just fine? Absolutely. But the cloth and the fabric, part that matters, keeping you out of the sun or keeping you dry, is gonna serve its purpose just fine. See, nice fit again. Passenger side, not a rip, tear, hole. Doesn't even hardly look like there's any worn areas. All right, so there's the soft top. Pause this one last time. We'll get the hard top on there and check it out and wrap this video up. Last but not least, hard top on. Obviously a nice fit above the windshield. And as far as condition of the paint, really noticed anything out of the ordinary on it. Rear window, it's a clear, good shape. Nice reflection in the paint also. There you go. With the hardtop 1989 Mercedes 560 SL. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here we have a 1989 Mercedes-Benz 560 SL. As you can see, it is winter in Minnesota, but the roads are dry today, so we're able to go out and do some driving videos for you. This does have a lot of features. We've got an outdoor thermometer right here that is reading about 15 degrees on a dial. Tachometer, clock, speedometer works great. There's an economy gauge, which is the gauge where you push the throttle and you get poor economy. But it's a good economy when you're not flooring it. The temperature is just over 80 degrees Celsius on the engine. The oil pressure is towards the top of the gauge with a 1, a 2, and a 3 on the gauge. It's at about a 3. And the fuel is just over half. This is a sporty little car, handles good, starts and runs awesome, very clean on the inside and outside, good condition. Radio works well. Our windshield wipers are working good. Blower motor works well. This is an automatic on the floor. We got power windows. It's a quiet ride, smooth ride, brakes well. Fun little car to drive. GoPro, stop capturing.